Good morning, good day, good morning, good everything. Dito kami ngayon sa Festival Mall. Ito yung Central Park for today's vlog. It's all about being a Santa Claus here in the Philippines. Ito yung PA ko. Medyo simpatika, medyo masungit. And ito yung magiging mall natin. Dalawa yung mall natin eh, na paggigigan. Alright, mamaya na. Alright, ito na. It's time to roll. Ayun si Santa Claus. Yeah, ready. Magta-transfer mo ko. Yung PA ko wala pa eh. Puro ano to eh, oh. Kaya siya yung videographer natin. Wala raw pa rate. So, meet and greet lang. Daming kids, sigurado pagkakaguluhan tayo. Alright. It's time to roll. Just like that. That's one sport. As a Santa Claus. There's my elves. There we go. Hey! Look at here. Look at here. It's time to roll.
Or make it stories both on Facebook, Instagram, and on TikTok. Yan. You need help in taking the photo? Yes. Okay. Alright. Yan. Si Daddy gusto sumama?
Just like that, 1 gig is done. And tontuwa yung assistant ko kasi wala siyang masyadong ginawa. Wala siyang masyadong ginawa. Kumita ka agad ng 4 digit. Ayan, ayan. Ano, ito yung mall. Just like that. Tapos na tayo. Cute to. Dito, kanina dito marami nagpa-picture sa harap. And of course yung doon, yung Christmas tree. Ito yung Christmas tree namin. Diyan kanina napakadami magpa-picture. Kaso itong PA ko ayaw mag-picture eh. Yan. Doon ako kanina nakaupo. Kaso ngayon, pupunta kami sa second mall, second park for second booking of Santa Claus. Let's go! So, hindi ko kasi alam kung nasan yung mall na yun. So, ito yan yung Christmas tree. Oh. Tapos, ito yung second mall na pag sa Santa Claus natin. Iyaw doon. Kitang kita. Oh. Lapit lang. Oh. Walk in the park. Back to back. Santa Gig. Si Ate Ana. Oh. Mapansin nyo kumapal yung balbas ko kasi nilagyan natin. Ano yung nilagay natin yan? Nilagyan natin ng maskara. Kaya kumapal siya ng ganyan. Ngayon doon sa second gig, okay yung tambayan nila doon. Pwede kami matulog. Siyempre, makakatulog naman kami. Magre-ready lang for the second gig. So yun yung mall kanina. Oh, Ate Ana. Ito na yung susunod na mall. Ganda, no? Pero gabi na kasi, hindi natin alam kung try natin kung malinaw to mamaya yan kung magvi-video tayo ng gabi. No? Lakad-lakad. Yung festival mall. Laki pala ng festival mall ng ano. Oh. Grabe. Dito, pwede na akong tumambay dito. Dami na magpapapicture dito. Kasi walang tao. Ay, batas. Ay, parang chapel. May ano eh, oh, may cross. Chapel. Ayun, yun, doon kami. Philinvest City. Busy oh. Dapat doon tayo tumawid. Okay na yan, lakarin na natin dito. Ganda ng mga puno. Ang lalaki. Pagod pero lalaban para sa ekonomiya. Second booking. Here we go. Imaginin mo yan na may lupa ka rito. Doon sa bakanteng lote doon. Tapos nagtataasan na yung mga building dito. Mga yan. Nagtataasan na. Ang mahal ng value ng lupa mo rito. Oh, yan. Para sa Santo Civic Plaza. Ayun, Civic Plaza. Yung PA ko, grabe oh. Tuwan-tuwa. Easy money. Baka mahihain na itong button. FEU Alabang. Ayun pala yung FEU Alabang. So yun, dito na kami sa second location. Ito yung standby area namin. Ang cozy ng lugar. Ewan naman si... Ay, ate yan. Oh, laki ng TV oh. May Christmas tree din sila dito. Oh. At si Santa, tulog muna. Right. Pahinga lang kasi after 1 hour and 15 minutes yun na yung second gig natin. So, rest lang si Santa. Let's go! Let's go. Nasaan si Rudolph? Kita ba rito si Rudolph? Ayun si Rudolph. Nandun oh. Ang aming poging-poging motorcycle. So yun oh, parating na tayo. Just like that, after 1 hour. Santa gig time. So, ito yung aming standby area dito. So yun, tapos na. We're done. Ito ng Christmas tree nila rito. And babiyahe naman tayo pa uwi. Tapos ita-timelapse natin yung buong biyahe. Natin yung time-lapse video netong DJI. Alright. You know, it's a wrap. Till next year, filigree. Yan, so today, ready na? Okay na? Sa Okada naman ako ngayon. Yan si Mrs. Oh. Di makasama kasi siya yung dede. Ay, bibidyo natin time-lapse yung video papunta Okada. So yun, dito na tayo ngayon sa Okada. Ngayon nahanap na lang natin yung standby area ni Santa Claus. Ganda ng mga chandelier. Huh? May ulit. So yun, nahanap na lang natin yung entrance. Oh, ganda, grabe. Oh. Just looking for it. Ayan, mamaya ulit, Christmas Village. Pag dito ka nagtrabaho, imposibleng hindi ka mabudol eh. Oh. Nako. Oh. Budol is real. Hanggang ubos yung TF mo rito. Ito yung view sa harap. Buti na lang GCash yung ano namin. Or tsaka bank transfer yung TF namin. Kasi pag dito sigurado ubos. Ubos ang TF. Pero titingin tayo. Titingin tayo ng mga pwedeng mabili. Oh. Santa Vic. Here we go. Triple. It's for video. And Santa Bob we have here. Oh. Tatlo kaming Santa ngayon dito.
That's our elves. That's our elves over there.
Oh, there's our
elves.
Our beautiful
Virolang.
elves. There we go. All right. Okay, here we go. Another Santa.
Vic is over here.
Vic is already here. All right. There's 3 Santa right there. How are you, bro? Good. Perfect.
Busy.
Yes, even I. It's like the booking is so terrible. every day there.
I've been doing 2 gigs every day.
Yeah, 2 gigs every day. You have to tie it up early. You have to tie them both. The traffic won't.
I fight the traffic.
Alright. Mamaya magko-costume kaming dalawa.
In between, if you want to smoke, go to the casino. You can smoke anywhere.
Ah, okay. You can.
Soon
But
you're
where is
walking
our
in.
standby area?
I'm taking you there. Right.
Alright.
I've been doing here since November.
Since November.
Yeah,
Wow.
Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Oh, siya yung... He's the official Santa of Okada. I'm with the official Santa of the Okada.
Wait, pick up.
Okay. Oh, Santa Vic will be here later. Yeah, yan yung spot niya later. Tinutur ako ni Santa Bob. Santa Bob. Where? So here? You know. Okay. Dito kami magta-transform para maging Santa.
They booked me.
So sila bukas lilipad sa Amanpulo. Sana all. Sana all.
Doon ang Christmas namin.
Doon ang Christmas nice. Para kayong like dating na already for workation. It's hashtag workation. Grabe. Here's Okada.
I'll show you. The other day, Mall of Asia.
You were there?
Yeah. Sunday.
Sunday I was
Before I
in
came here.
Grand Central, Philinvest, Alabang.
Yeah. Before I
Only
came here,
one. Because canceled yung other one.
Before the son of Henry C. I got him on my knee. I said,
It's still closed. Still closed. Ah, mamaya ulit. Yeah, there we go. Hello.
Hello, Santa!
Hello, Santa. Yes, Pearl and you are at Tamuran. Let's go. Let's go. Sige, kanta mo muna. Alright, Merry Christmas, guys. Good job. I'll take care of it. Let's take a 0.5. Here you go. 1, 2. Alright. Good job. He's happy. He saw Santa. Hello. Of course, come on. Let's do it. Groovy. One more.
With this, Santa.
Christmas. Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Yes.
Christmas tree.
Let's hope there's a candy back there. Yeah, please. Merry Christmas. Wanna take a picture?
Yes, let's go. Ay, tara na lang. Tara na.
Hello, Merry Christmas.
So, Merry Christmas.
Come on. Where's the camera?
Picturean ko kayo, ma'am. Bigyan mo sa kanya. Picturean ko po kayo.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you.
Magbibigyan na pa mascret.
Mag-wish kayo kay Santa, sir.
Sa kami ako sa chat eh.
Alright, thank you.
Wait lang, baby. One, two, three. Thank you, Santa.
Alright, good job guys. Merry Christmas.
Very good. Wait lang.
Alright, thank you.
Sandali.
Good job.
Bye.
Here. Here.
Thank you.
What can you say?
Another one.
Thank you, Santa.
Another one. Go get it. Go get it.
Okay, take a photo.
Come on, David. Smile.
Alright,
Smile.
okay. 1, 2, 3. Smile, Gavin. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Good job.
Thank you. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa po. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, maybe later.
1, 2, 3. Isa pa po. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you. Merry Christmas. Picture lang. Ayun ba? Ano?
혹시 여기 가야 되는데?
Yeah, he's gonna give it to. You're gonna give it to Lauren.
Just like that, we're done. And tomorrow, babalik ulit tayo rito. At pinagkaiba, ang daming tao. Kanina, wala halos tao. Oh. fountain show nila. Wala pa. There will be the fountain show. Oh. And we're done. Uwi na. Mamaya ulit. Yun na, uwi na tayo. Hanapin natin kung saan tayo nakapark. Yung problema yan ang weakness ko eh. Hindi ko maalala kung saan ako nakapark eh. Okay, mamaya. Testingin lang natin yung night mode. This one is on night mode, 4K 30 FPS. Alright. Nahanap natin yung Jollibee Igloo Village. And of course, the Santa. Ganda. Santa Bob. Bob. Oh, here we go. Oh, Santa again. Okay, take care tomorrow at Amanpulo. Have fun.
Hold it down, hold down the fort.
Sana all nasa Amanpulo. Workation, bro. Okay. Ano to? Welcome to Christmas Market Village. You know. Yeah, I'm really bad at parking. May mga poste po siya. Hindi ko naman nilalala kung saan yung poste ko, kung anong letter, anong number. Oh my God.